Yo, what's up guys? Wala na paligoy-ligoy. Let's have our first impression and quick impression towards these three fragrances which is sent by Jazz Fragrances. Let's go! And take note lang guys, I already sprayed all of these three in my skin and I will be just giving you a quick feedback about the scent of these three perfumes. And disclaimer lang po, I already asked the owner if these perfumes are inspired or own blend, and Sir Justin said that these perfumes are all inspired. So let's go first with the Obsidian Touch, which is inspired with Eros EDP. First impression, kaamoy lang nito in the opening. And guys, no joke, or no lies, I'll be honest, I was surprised by the copy of this perfume because it literally almost the same with the Eros EDP. Okay? I haven't tried the performance of this since kararating lang ito kahapon, but I could tell that this is a good copy of Eros EDP. And next is the Fortune EDT, and which I think this is a copy of Pakoraban 1 million EDT. So this one, medyo weird yung scent niya for me because I think there is a leather with this. But unfortunately, just to let you know, I hate leather scents. But this one is surprisingly addicting to my nose. I don't know why, but it's quite addicting. And lastly, but not the least, Regent Flame. Guys, wala akong masabi dito, but this one is the best out of these two perfumes from Just Fragrances. And I believe, based on its notes, it is inspired from Eros Flame. I haven't yet tried Eros Flame, but scent-wise, my gosh, I fell in love with this perfume. So if I could rank these three, I would definitely put Obsidian Touch in the third. Second, The Fortune. And no biases. No bullshit. Regent Flame, the best talaga to. I don't know how close it is to the original Eros Flame, but damn, scent-wise, I fell in love with this one. I prefer this over this one, even though this one is a good copy of Eros EDP. I don't know, but damn, ganda nito guys. Really hoping that these three perfumes are all performing. So let's test them on our next video. Medyo busy ako right now with LPs, lesson plans, as well as schoolworks. But let's have some time later on to test these three fragrances on how well they perform. But scent-wise, all of these three are good. Definitely this one is on my top one.